Welcome back to Chef Nikki's Island Kitchen. Today we are going to have the Jamaican style fried dumpling. I'm so excited. Welcome, welcome. Come into my kitchen. So let me go ahead and welcome you in and tell you what our ingredients are for this Jamaican style fried dumpling. It is baking powder, brown sugar, coconut milk or milk, flour, butter, big Dutch pot or deep fry pan or deep fryer. If you use regular sugar, that's on you. I use brown sugar. Everyone has their preference. Go ahead. Now you're going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients together into your mixing bowl. Once you start mixing the ingredients into your mixing bowl, you'll go ahead and knead the dough well. Then you go ahead and separate the dough to make it into four dough balls. If they look like this, then you know you need some more. Then you're gonna go ahead and knead it some more, and then you're gonna put it to the side, cover it with saran wrap or foil. You can let it sit there for approximately 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how much fried dumpling you're cooking and how much you want to rise. Then you're gonna go ahead and shape them at the palm of your hands like you're making meatballs. You can do it small, medium, or large. It's up to you. My preference is medium. Next, you can go ahead and get the actual fry pan or whichever one you use and put the oil in and heat it up. Make sure it's not too hot. The dumpling doesn't take no more than 10 to 12 minutes to cook. You can go ahead and dump the dumpling inside here. Once you see it turning brown at the bottom of the frying pan and you see the dough get brown, you go ahead and flip it to the other side. Do the same thing. What you'll do is after 7 minutes, you go ahead and tap the dough to see if the dumpling is actually hard shell on the outside. If it's getting hard, that means that it is actually cooked and you can remove the dumpling from out of the frying pan. Then once you do that, you go ahead and cut it open and check the inside texture. It should be moist like bread, but it should be moist and nice. There goes your Jamaican style fried dumpling from Chef Nikki's Island Kitchen. It was a pleasure of you guys joining my kitchen. I look forward to serving you some more. Stay tuned, click subscribe, and you'll get more details of what else I have in store. Stay tuned because I have Wally for giving up. Bye. Welcome back to Chef Nikki's Island Kitchen. Today we are going to have the Jamaican style fried dumpling.